Hi, and welcome to our review of Apify, a really powerful web scraping and automation platform that's making waves in data collection. I'm recording this AI review because I think you'll find this tool fascinating. Apify is essentially your go-to solution for getting data from websites and automating repetitive web tasks. Think of it as having a team of digital helpers that can browse the web, collect information, and organize it exactly how you need it. What makes Apify special is how user-friendly it is, while still being incredibly capable. You've got these things called actors, which are basically pre-built tools that handle specific tasks. Want to grab product prices from an e-commerce site? There's an actor for that. Need to collect social media data? Yep, there's one for that too. The platform really shines in three main areas. First, there's web scraping. It can pull data from virtually any website. Second, you've got automation capabilities. It'll handle those repetitive web tasks for you. And third, it's got this amazing infrastructure that lets you run everything smoothly in the cloud. One of the coolest things about Apify is how flexible it is. You can either use those pre-built actors we mentioned, or if you're more technically inclined, you can create your own custom solutions. The platform takes care of all the complex stuff like proxy management and browser automation, so you can focus on getting the data you need. People are loving it too. We're seeing a 97% recommendation rate from users on Capterra, which is pretty impressive. Businesses are using it for everything from market research to price monitoring, and developers are building some really creative solutions with it. Whether you're a business owner looking to gather market intelligence, a developer needing to automate web tasks, or a researcher collecting data, Apify has got you covered. The free tier is great for getting started, and it scales really well as your needs grow. Want to learn more about Apify and see if it's right for you? Head over to jimcarter.me and search for Apify. You'll find detailed information about features, pricing, and how to get started. Thanks for checking out our review.